Hey Dyers, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace the 0749746 AquaSource bathroom faucet cartridge. The fix if you've got a dripping faucet, low water pressure, or a hard-to-turn handle. This is an easy DIY anyone can do in about 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll save money on a plumber. Let's jump in. Oils and parts needed: new replacement cartridge 0749746 AquaSource. Adjustable wrench or channel locks, Phillips screwdriver. Rag or towel to cover the drain, vinegar and toothbrush for cleaning. Step 1. Turn off water. First things first, go under your sink and turn off the hot and cold water valves. Turn on the faucet to relieve any pressure and let any remaining water drain out. Step 2. Remove the handle. Now, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the handle. Sometimes the screw is under a small cap. Just pop it off with a flathead if needed. Once unscrewed, lift the handle off gently. Step 3. Loosen retaining nut, bonnet. Use an adjustable wrench to unscrew the bonnet nut that holds the cartridge in place. Place a towel in the sink to catch anything that falls. Once the nut is off, you'll see the cartridge exposed. Step 4. Remove old cartridge. Now grab the old cartridge and pull it straight out. If it's stuck, you may need pliers or wiggle it slightly side to side. Take note of the alignment tabs. You'll need the new one to go in the same way. Step 5. Install the new cartridge. Take your new number 0749746 AquaSource cartridge and align it with the tabs inside the valve. Push it in firmly but gently until it sits flush. Step 6. Reattach the handle. Reinstall the faucet handle and secure it with the screw. If it had a cap, snap it back into place. Step 7. Turn water back on and test. Now go under the sink and turn your water valves back on slowly. Test the faucet. It should operate smoothly with no drips. Boom! You've just replaced your AquaSource faucet cartridge like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY plumbing tutorials, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues. Remember, save money, fix it yourself. See you in the next one.